Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new POV in the Volkswagen Scirocco. Pretty much if you guys have never seen the car here, look, we've got the purple brake calipers. And this is actually gonna be the last ever video you guys are gonna see or hear this car like proper stock. Pretty much the only thing I've done to this car so far is like aesthetic modifications like the emerald struts, boom, the automatic boot struts right here. So we exchanged the old ones for these beautiful ones with springs. Absolutely beautiful. Purple brake calipers, I think they look absolutely sick. And a few interior changes, such as red paddle shifters. Yay! Foot on brake. Let's whack it in drive. Let's go. But just before we get into the POV, I want to say a huge thank you to the sponsors of today's video. Hold on, I can't get in. Acer. Now pretty much, if you guys like racing, like me, then listen up, right? And if you like winning prizes, listen up, my guys. Acer Predator are actually running a full-on competition, Beat the Pro. And this is where you will actually have the chance to go up against the pro, Romain Grosjean, I might have butchered that name, on Assetto Corsa, which is a racing simulator game. You guys are gonna beat him because literally I could smoke him in the Corsa, and you know that is slow as. The tournament is actually open to everyone in the country for free, and if you guys do not have the game Assetto Corsa, Acer are actually giving you 80% off. 80%. What? Now then, the UK qualifiers will actually take place, I've got a checklist, from the 10th of May until the 15th of May. The final being held on the 15th of May at 7:15 PM. The top 3 drivers in each national cup will actually receive, first place will actually include a R8G team t-shirt, as well as a trophy. Who doesn't like a trophy? A Predator Orion 3000 gaming PC. This probably has more horsepower than my Scirocco. And also a gaming monitor. And second and third place will also receive some sick prizes. And the #1 player internationally, which could be you, will actually win a whole bunch of prizes, including a full-on cockpit, including everything from pedals to this steering wheel. Lewis Hamilton would be jealous of the steering wheel. And also they would become a member of Romain Grosjean Junior Sim Racing Team, which will obviously have its major benefits. Now, if you would like to win, click the link in the description and go register right now. It's completely free to register, and you have the chance to win all of these amazing prizes. Now then, also if you would like to buy any Acer Predator products, including their Triton 300, which is their gaming laptop, which packs their latest 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor. Can't see? You will actually get 3 years warranty and up to 6 months of Xbox Game Pass for PC. Once again, huge shout out to Acer for sponsoring today's video. Seriously, check out the link in the description. You could win internationally. I believe in you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching today's sponsor. Anyway, back. I don't even know if I explained this, but pretty much the next POV you guys are gonna see is gonna have, the car's gonna have a Ram air filter on, which is going to make really nice induction noises, and I believe it might make the turbo sound a little bit like I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gassed. Other than having the Ram air filter, which we're doing literally this week, so right after this video pretty much it should go up. And also we should be getting a Cobra exhaust on the car. It's just honestly a waiting game for that one. I think it might be 2 weeks still, unfortunately. I've just got information from it, so yeah, they have to handcraft it, don't they? So, I don't know. Oh shit, come on. After you, boss. Or not. Jeez. You dickhead, what you doing? Indicate your spasmoid. Fucking hate people, mate. Like, some people might be able to be like, well, he was tugging the roundabout. No, I hugged the roundabout. I go straight, but I hug the roundabout, and everybody here in fucking Banbury does that. It's just Banbury people, eh? So by the end of this month, this car will be sounded like a fucking spaceship, and I'm planning, hopefully, I'm spitting because I'm so excited. I'm planning on getting maybe a big turbo. I'm not 100% sure if this car can cope with it, but I'm just trying to learn about cars. I want a bigger turbo because I've seen one online. It goes. It literally sounds like a spaceship. I want a blowout valve. I don't give a fuck if they make one for this. I'm gonna make somebody make one for my car. Turn off auto stop start. Come on. Choo choo choo. Look at this. Jeez, watch how quick I can just get off the line. Like, if somebody's coming. Oh, and the DSG. I literally cannot get over it. This is a stock car and the DSG sounds beautiful. It sounds like Darth Vader is in my engine bay. Oh yeah, like this is what I mean about the, I said in my drive me to Taco Bell, it's got a little roundabout and it shows like one exit there and it says take second exit up there. So basically, you don't have to take your eyes like off your screen. So it's pretty lit, you know. So, hug this left one here, hug it, and there you go, we're off, boys. Now let's have some fun. Catch up with the Sirocco, yeah? I'm hoping there's no speed cameras because I literally don't know where I am. Jeez! Well, I'm gonna let these two go because I actually need to be in that lane. So you go, then I'll slip in behind you. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Milton, Keynes. Jeez, these are some fucking windy roads, eh? Jesus. I absolutely hate country roads, you know. I love like it when you know, when I know what country road I'm on and I know like what turns are coming up and shit, like because you know, like when an F1 driver's in their own like turf, you know, that's when they're gonna rule shit. But like this, they scare me, because if you come round one too quick, obviously you're spinning out and going into a bush. Like this one, I've seen too many people crash at like country roads, and like sometimes they come out of nowhere, these sharp corners. But at least you got the nice beautiful view. Beautiful, look at those flowers, just like my car. We should get some B-roll of that with my car going past or something, that'd be nice. Don't know if you guys can see the like navigation. It's a pretty lit navigation system, you know. Like, this car hasn't come with Apple CarPlay, unfortunately. So, that's one thing that annoys me. But the navigation system on the Sirocco already is actually quite good. So, the only thing is that it doesn't update every week, just like Google Maps or something. So, sometimes you're like go into like a new estate or something, and you won't know where the fuck you're going. So. Left it is my gal. Left it is my gal. My brother. Oh, I've been here. This is quite a scenic place, this is. Mad. This is like the rich place. Like, where I come from, you got a lot of rich old white people. But this, my guys, this is rich old white people. Oh, that was beautiful, that sound. That was a Peugeot, that was like a beastie sound. That sounded like a BM. I'm so excited to hear what my car sounds like with the exhaust on, and I know I keep on talking about it, but it's the main hype of this car. Like,
And you guys better be happy, because I was going to keep this exhaust from you for months. But literally, you guys smashed it getting to Cobra Exhaust to like 9,000 followers. And they're almost on 10,000 right now. So if you want to help even get them to 10,000, links in the description to that. But yeah, I'm so excited to hear what it sounds like, because I don't see many videos of Siroccos with my particular exhaust on, the one that I'm going to be getting. Right, this looks like a busy motherfucking roundabout. This does. This is mad. Oh, I think this is my chance. If you hurry the fuck up, let's go. Yeah, buddy. The lorry's coming out. There you go.
Leave the roundabout at the second exit and continue.
Oh, this is a mad thing. This is. Look at this. Bro, I'm actually starstruck. Where am I? Jeez! Just like that at 60. Just like that. Just like that. My Corsa would be dusted! It would need a good spring clean in the Corsa, let me tell you. Hold on. Let me just... Second. I just made my own lane up there because I didn't want anyone overtaking me and then like me cutting them off or anything. So I just kind of fucking made my own lane up. So fuck you, BMW. Look at that Maserati. This is where all the rich Asians come. My Asian brothers, look at that. Oh, he's actually white. Mad. This is quite nice. It's like city driving. Hopefully you guys like it, because I'm wasting a shit ton of petrol. Like, the amount of petrol it's probably taken me to get here is probably like, in the course it'd be very economical. It'd be like £5 or something. I don't know. I don't know. But let's just take this example. This would be literally be like 10, 15 quid. Like, you can see how much it's dropped since we left. Fucking hell. People warned me about having a turbo in the car. I don't know if that's what obviously drinks the fuel, but a turbocharged car. And fuck me, yes, I can admit,
now turn off.
It does drink. It does drink like vodka. I love driving in Milton Keynes because literally it's just straight roads. Like straight roads. Look, another straight roundabout we just have to do, and it's just quite nice to drive in. It's very relaxing. Very busy but very relaxing at the same time. God, my head is fucking killing me. I've had this camera on my head and it's like it wraps around your head and then it like it has this like rubber or plastic piece that goes into your head to make it like very smooth and stable. But literally it is killing my head right now. I get home and I literally have like a red mark, a red square on my head. Let me smoke. Oh Jesus! Can I smoke you? No.
Leave the roundabout at the third exit.
Ready? Drop. Drop.
Towards
You can just join like that, easy. Don't have to make anyone slow down. Don't have to do full throttle anything. Just third exit.
Take the third exit.
Cheers, mate. Oh no, it's there. Central.
Take the second exit into the destination road.
Watch this. Stop guidance.
Route guidance has
There
been
you
stopped.
go. Whee! That's lit. Just the fact that I can just tell him, bitch, shut the fuck up, and she'll shut up. Fam, I don't know where I'm going. Campbell Park. What the fuck is Campbell Park? I don't think I should be going. What is this? Where am I? Central Milton Keynes. Boom. Right. Come on. Am I right in saying this? Jeez. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. This is a big boy thing. Oh, glad I slowed down for that. Jeez. Imagine when I have my splitter on that. Oh my. This car is already low and people want me to lower it already. And I'm literally like, fucking hell. Like, I'm going to have a splitter on the car. And then, if I lower it even more, it's going to be scraping like a bitch. But, definitely want to get in contact with some like bag companies. Like, I want to have a bagged Scirocco where I can just lower it to the floor, have it sitting like pretty when we're outside Tesco. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the scenery for a second. Oh, let me shut up for a second because you guys don't give a fuck. This is central. This is central. This is. Let me just go 30. Let me cruise. It's so weird seeing a place that you used to like drive, or not even drive, like have your mum take you and you be driving here now. So weird. Look at next. Blood, we could go shopping. Which way do I want to go? Let me go straight. Like, the weirdest thing is, like, I'm coming here just to drive around. Like, I'm not coming here to go shopping or anything. Yeah, I'm not coming here to shop or anything. I'm literally just coming to drive around. Show you guys the beautifulness. I guess if you are going Milton Keynes or something, it'll give you a bit of confidence. I know probably everybody watching this is probably real confident drivers, but we do have like new drivers who watch. Surprisingly, it's not that busy. Look at him, he's fucking whizzing. Such nice roads. Literally, is what I mean. You can't get lost here because it's fucking. Look at the straight lines, mate. Whoever invented Milton Keynes or invented the roads here, he was a G. Into the right lane, and I will go right because we've had enough of the central now. Go down here. Look at this. Gee. Yeah, we'll go right, and then we'll actually have to head home. I don't even know if we're going to be able to film on the way home because literally my camera. I've got one battery, and I've got one SD card, and the SD card is about to be full any moment. Jeez, let's go this way. I feel like you can hear the flipping turbo in this car. It goes like zoom. Because obviously I usually have music on, so I never actually hear this shit. But yeah, I never usually hear the turbo and shit, so. Ooh! Can't wait to see what they're building, you know. Probably something absolutely pointless. Look at that Santander. I wonder if that's like the HQ or something. Let's speed off in front of them. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Look at this. We banged it. Oh shit. Oh, he's fucking done it. He's done. To be fair, he's done it. That was a red light, mate.